Since 2014, we've been making useful everyday items that are worthy of handing down to future generations. Today, we're introducing a limited run of Grade 5 titanium to our collection of stationery, flasks and accessories. Machined in England, each item is designed to be a pleasure to use day after day and decade after decade. Titanium is renowned for its technical qualities. Corrosion resistant and chemically inert, it's stronger than stainless steel, yet just half the weight. Each piece is CNC machined before being hand finished to leave a brushed finish that maintains a raw machined aesthetic. Graphics are laser engraved using a pulsed fibre laser, and each product can be subtly personalised with an inscription. Our designer's mechanical pencil holds 10 times the lead of traditional pencils and will write for over 50 kilometres. The compact mechanical pen is designed to reduce writing fatigue and has a unique twisting bolt action mechanism. The Flask stores a travel-friendly 100 ml of your favourite tipple and has a handy bottle opener machined into the base. The key cache and loop can be used interchangeably for your different sets of keys. And a waterproof compartment keeps an emergency note hidden. The Wingback Titanium collection is designed and machined in England and guaranteed for life.